What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jay, and today I have another amazing recipe for you all to enjoy. You know the holidays are right around the corner, so we are about to make the viral sweet potato cheesecake brownies. Yeah, you heard me correct. These are absolutely amazing, so easy to make. And you know I'm about to show you how it's done, so let's not waste any time and get right on into it. Let's get started. My favorite time of year is almost here. Thanksgiving, baby. You want to go ahead and grab two beautiful, nice sized sweet potatoes and go ahead and peel them up just like so. Once you have both peeled, you're going to go ahead and grab a knife and slice them into small pieces. This will make it, boil a little bit quicker. The smaller it is, the quicker they soften up in that pot, if you know what I mean. So like I said, go ahead and slice them up. Once that's taken care of, you want to get a pot of water going, and you're gonna toss these right on in. You're gonna boil them until they're nice and soft. For me, it probably took about 15 minutes or so. Honestly, I wasn't even counting. I kind of just took a fork here and there, poked them, and once I seen they were soft enough, I drained out the water and kind of put them off to the side. So yeah, go ahead and get them in that pot and let them go, baby. And top it off, like I said. And once we have that going, we're gonna move on to the next step, which is getting that cheesecake layer going for our yummy dessert. Go ahead and toss in your cream cheese. This, my friend, is a not a good mixer, if I want to say it kindly. The good one that I had actually somehow broke, so I'm working with this piece of let's just say it's just not good. I had a good old stand mixer and it broke. So yeah, let's move on past that. I have my cream cheese room temperature, guys, room temperature. And also we have some egg, we have some vanilla extract, and we have some sugar. And you want to basically get all of these combined, and this is basically our little cheesecake layer to our dessert. The mixer part is detachable. I ended up taking it off because it just wasn't going the way it was. And like I said, just go ahead and mix it up like so till you have a beautiful consistency like this. I'm moving on. We have our pan here. We're tossing in our Pillsbury Pie Crust just like so. We want to go ahead and kind of press it on into the pan. And I'm going to take a knife and kind of go along the sides of this pan so we have that pie crust only on the bottom. Once we have that excess pie crust removed, we are then going to toss in our yummy, delicious cheesecake layer. Okay, just in a second here, I'm gonna remove this, and then we're gonna toss in that cheesecake layer. Bada boom, bada bam. Okay, I'm just pressing it a little bit more, making sure it's nice and secure. Cheesecake layer going in, and you do want to save a little bit of this so we can put on the top afterwards. So go ahead and spread it on just like so. Make sure this is well coated in that yummy goodness. And once that's taken care of, we're gonna move on to the next step, getting that delicious sweet potato section taken care of. So what I'm doing is taking my sweet potato, putting it into my mixing bowl, as well as some unsalted butter. And remember, all the ingredients will be listed in the description box as well as on the screen. But the description box is gonna be way easier for you to reference to later on. I mixed that right on in. I'm grabbing my sugar. Yes, it's a lot of sugar, I know, but we're working with a dessert here, so that's what it is. We got our cinnamon, we got our nutmeg going in, as well as a little bit of salt. You want to go ahead and blend all of this up just like so. And in a second here, we're going to toss in some egg as well as our flour. So I tossed in half of my flour to begin with, and in a second here, I'm gonna toss in the other half. I just wanted to make sure I had the consistency that I was looking for. You don't want it to be too dense, but you don't want it to be too watery, kind of somewhere in the middle. So go ahead and mix it up just like so. Make sure it's well combined, and once it is, we're gonna take this and layer it right on top of our cheesecake mix in that pan. It is looking so good right here. Oh my. Go ahead and layer that in just like so. I had a little bit of extra. You can actually make a sweet potato pie with the rest, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I didn't want to put too much on top. I wanted to have like a nice little layer that wasn't too much to overpower that cheesecake layer. And I took some of that little cheesecake blend and I put it into my little ghetto piping bag, aka a Ziploc bag, and I'm just piping it just like so. In a second here, I'm just gonna stripe it up with a little knife just to add like a little bit of cute design or whatever on top of our dessert. Bada boom, bada bam. And once you have that taken care of, we're gonna go ahead and bake this bad boy. I have my oven preheated to about 340 degrees, and we're gonna let this go for about 35 to 40 minutes or until it's looking slightly golden brown. You don't want it crispy now, okay? Just like a slight golden brown. You're gonna see what I'm talking about in a second here. This is how you should be looking when it comes right out of the oven. You see what I'm talking about? It's not dark. It's just like a nice little brown to it. You know what I mean? So I'm just gonna slice this bad boy up just like so. Ooh, wee! Come on now, stop playing with me. This is straight pressure, guys. So delicious. Go ahead and slice it up, and you are pretty much ready to serve up. Put this on a plate. Sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on top just to add a little bit of pop to it. You know what I mean? And this is pretty much ready to bust down, guys. I'm gonna pop a couple out just to show you that beautiful layer. Look at that layer of cheesecake at the bottom. You got your pie crust, you got your sweet potato blend. This is just simply amazing, guys. And in a second here, you know, we gotta give this a try. So that's what we are about to do. But man, I'm just admiring this beautiful dessert right here, man. You're gonna impress your family with this one. You have to serve this up on Thanksgiving. Come on now. All right, now these are looking good, smelling good, and I cannot wait to dig in. So let's just not keep the suspense going and get right on into it. But the presentation though, this just looks amazing. Hold up now. That right there is a 10 out of 10. Try it again, and again. Whoa. That right there is one of the best desserts I ever had in my life. And if this ain't on your Thanksgiving dinner table, something wrong with you. You guys have to have this ready to go. It is that darn good. Everything is hitting. It's almost like a sweet potato pie, but even better. You get in that cheesecake flavor on top of that, guys. And it just pretty much elevates it to the moon. I'm letting you know right now, straight gas, straight pressure, so easy and delicious, baby. You guys gotta make this. All right, now, I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, hit me with a like to let YouTube know you're loving the content. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Comment down below, let me know what you think, as well as any suggestions for that Thanksgiving dinner, and I'll be sure to see you all on the next one. Deuces.